Good morning, today is August 2019 and today's refinishing project is located in Walnut Creek, California. Alright, so today we're going to be refinishing this steel porcelain overlay bathtub here in Walnut Creek, California. There were shower doors and tracks on this one, but they had been previously removed for the refinishing, and once the refinishing job is done, they're gonna put on new tracks and doors. New surround has been installed in here. Looks like a white cultured marble surround here. Looks really nice. And once the bathtub is refinished, it's gonna look great. All right, so this is the job for today, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. All right, so we just finished up the bathtub here in Walnut Creek, California. Let's take a look at it. Let's get a view of the surround here. New surround. There we go. Okay, so if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.